Ho, ho, ho. Here she goes. Here she goes. I'm gonna catch her. Coming up over the hill, over the top. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. A little bumpy, little bumpy. It's a little bumpy. It's a little bumpy. It's a little bumpy. What about it? You gotta be careful. Yeah. That's why it's a stop sign. Or when you fail, yeah, you gotta be careful. Got to be careful. Them little rocks will take you down. Take you down to the ground. Making all kind of sounds. Yeah, you're making all those sounds when you get that from. There's the ghost with the red shorts. Hadn't seen him in a while. Hadn't seen him in a while. Yeah, he's always messing with that dog. The what? Oh no, I didn't. I was looking for him too. Both when we was going in, when we was on our way back, I was looking for him. I didn't see him. He's usually outside, but he wasn't out there today. He's always, and when he waves, hey, I promise you, he's always got a smile on his face, like he's happy to see me. You know? Yeah, like whenever we go by there and I wave at him, he's always happy, like smiling whenever he waves. Like that just made his day, you know? There's a car coming, he's coming fast. That's why you. Yep. That's why I'm out in front, leading. A good leader. See, I tell you, a good leader knows how to lead. But let me tell you though, what people fail to realize, a good leader at one point in time was the excellent follower. Excellent. You have to be an excellent follower and know how to follow. You have to know how to follow. Sticks in the road, all this right here. Somebody can come through there on a motorcycle and that's the end for them. They won't be riding no more. So we have traffic behind us. Yeah, that stuff there could give the rider's life right there, man. Or bike career. I don't understand how that stuff just gets in the middle of the road like that. Oh, that car's coming fast, man. Going 35, it's the car in front too. Yeah. I kind of want to feel that way. I'm not sure. Somebody finally moved in that house right there. Yes, sir. I think the speed limit back here is 60 on this road right here. No cars up ahead, we are clear to go. Right? I'm just gonna go, I ain't gonna stop. Because that car right there is in a rush. There's your friend right there in that car, Sandra.